Alright folks, I just got my hands on the Samsung S90F, and let me tell you, this TV is basically a rocket scientist disguised as a flat screen. First off, it has 128 AI neural networks. 128! That's more brain power than my entire extended family combined, and yet somehow it's only focused on making my Netflix look like IMAX. I popped in an old 480p clip of a cat falling off a couch, and suddenly it looked like the feline just won an Oscar. For current pricing and availability, check the link in the description, unless you enjoy guessing games with your wallet, in which case, good luck. Sports fans, listen up. The S90F keeps your eyes on the ball. No more blur, no more wait, was that a goal or a sneeze? Its AI processor smooths the motion so fast, you'll think the players hired stunt doubles. I even tried fast-forwarding through commercials, and somehow it still made every shot look cinematic. Gamers don't feel left out. The S90F delivers tier-free 4K gaming at 144 Hz. That's so fast that when I played a racing game, I swear my brain got a speed boost too, or maybe that was just adrenaline. Either way, it's smooth, crisp, and terrifyingly precise. And the brightness. Oh, the brightness. With deep contrast and HDR-like enhancements, even my dullest shows suddenly look like a Hollywood blockbuster. I watched a cooking channel, and I swear I could almost smell the sizzling bacon. My cat got jealous and tried to swipe the screen. Bottom line, the Samsung S90F isn't just a TV. It's a personal hype machine for your living room. Your old TV will cry in the corner while this one makes everything look like cinematic magic.